Here I show you how to edit different worksheets within the same time. For example, if you want to change your font type for all these worksheets that I have 3 worksheets. So I want to change their font type. So what I'll need to do, I'll come to this section. First, I press Control, then select these sheets. Once I select the sheets, I'll come to this section and make sure that I select the document, the entire document. Then come here and select the font type that I want. So I want to put 2cent. Then once I see it, I click and I press enter. Once you press enter, as you can see, all the worksheets have been changed. The font type has been changed to 2cent. If you want to change the size, you can click there and so on and so forth, and it changes for the entire workbook. And that's it to save your time. Bye.